So gone, so gone. I really don't know how y'all fucking flow on this fucking beat, but this motherfucker go. And that was my goal. It's AJ Flow. In case you ain't know, when I have no foes, so stop saying that. I went from Aunt Getter to Aunt No Text back, like an eye that whack. I know I'm short and black, and I got a little fat, but I still treat you right, and that's a fact. I got a crush on this girl, and she know I do, but her friends a hater, like bitch, you need dick too. Well, I got you, it's like nah, I'm playing, but I got some friends that'll take you on my hands, know what I'm saying? Now let me tell you about this other shorty. Now when you think about it, it's a really funny story. First of all you bitches are corny, and all you do is ask for money and make me horny. Now everybody knows that this bitch is a fucking fiend. All she wanna do is party, pop, perks, and lean. If you bring around a bottle, she'll do anything. And if you got some weed, you can get in the spleen. Loyal boy package 2K sleeping B. Can you keep a secret? That's actually me. Just replace 2K with Black Ops 3. Take my shit, beat my meat, and I'm going to sleep. So gone, so gone.